First reason is it helps you to get confidence. I remember whenever I used to study in the college, that time, whenever these big concepts were explained to me, I used to feel like scared that, oh my god, like how to use it in the real world. That time, building projects made sure that, okay, I can use it and this concept is not that much complicated or something like that. It's just simple programming thing which we have to do. And once I used to execute that program, I used to get confidence. And after I understood that, okay, this is how programs are executed, that time I understood that, okay, project can be built in similar way. And whenever I used to build one new project, I used to get lots of confidence that, okay, I know how to do that and I can do it again if somebody comes and asks me to do it. So building project is going to give you confidence, and that's very important whenever you are going for job or whenever you are trying to do freelancing. Second reason is building projects will make sure that it's a good practice whenever you are actually needing it. That's what I said earlier, that whenever you go for some job and when they give you some project to work on, that time if you already built the project and you know like what and all things are involved in it, it's very easy for you to get into it and do whatever the work that needs to be done. But if you didn't build the project, then it's highly likely that you are going to face lots of problems and you have no idea how to solve it, because whenever you are like building projects, you are going to get lots of errors which you are going to solve, and that's required whenever you are building projects for your job or you are doing some kind of freelancing work. That's required. Practice to build the project earlier is going to surely help you when you need it whenever the time comes. Third reason is whenever you are trying to apply for some kind of job or whenever you are trying to get the client, that time whatever the projects which you have built, it serves as a proof of concept. If you have one application which is already built, even simple one, and you have actually released it to Google Play Store or something like that, that time whenever you are trying to get the client or get the job, that time you can literally tell them that I have released the production level application to Google Play Store. You can directly go to that particular link and check it out, so that you know that, okay, I know to build the project. So that particular thing will help you a lot in terms of getting the job or getting that particular project for your freelancing business. Fourth reason is whenever you are doing some kind of freelancing or maybe job, that time if you already have built the project earlier, even for practice, those codes are going to be used directly in this particular new project. So let me tell you some secret about coding. In the coding, what happens is whenever you are building one project, if you have one big enough project and if somebody tells you to build one new project, it's highly likely that you can literally copy paste all the codes which is present in the project which you already built, and you can do the changes as you require it in your new project. Just by copying the older project codes, you'll be able to build that project faster, and when you are able to build the project faster, you're going to get the money earlier if you are like freelancing. If you are doing job, then you'll just complete your work faster and employer will give the new work again. So just make sure that you are aware of it, and it's just that you are able to code faster and you can reuse existing project codes in order to do that particular thing. That's why building the project is always better choice. I remember whenever I used to code before, that time I had few projects already built out by myself, and whenever client used to come, I used to use those codes only and just make sure that whatever their requirement that was met. But it was very easy to build a new application if you already built few project and it's available in your computer. Fifth reason is building project is best way for learning some kind of new technologies. For example, once you are familiar with basics concept and all, and you know how to code using React and you are building project in it, and some kind of requirement comes that you have to use some other framework, maybe like Angular or Vue.js. So now the thing is, whenever you are like trying to learn those new technologies, it's always preferred that you build one small project in Vue.js or even Angular. So when you're building application using this new technologies which is not familiar to you, that time you'll learn how to actually use that particular technology instead of like trying to learn it step by step. Just build one project and you will know how to do the CRUD operations, call API, and do all the amazing things which can be done using that new technologies. But building project is going to make sure that you're learning it, and when you are learning something new, that's always better for your job or your freelancing business. So that's why building project is like really good thing which you can do to yourself. If you haven't started already, just make sure that you build some or other kind of project. If you don't know how to build the project, there are lots of videos in my channel, and I also have one HTML and CSS course where we build lots of project in it. Do check it out in the description below, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.